In this video, we'll show you how to operate your Greenworks 60-volt, 22-inch cordless, battery, brushless, wheeled string trimmer. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different than the models featured in this video. However, these instructions still apply. This video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions, including safety warnings, maintenance, and storage tips, refer to the manual. Safety first. Keep hands and feet away from the cutting area. Check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Thrown objects can ricochet and result in personal injury or property damage. Wear gloves and eye protection when operating. Protective clothing and boots are also recommended. Let's get started. Inserting and removing the battery. Be advised, there are two types of dual battery ports. Some units have two active battery ports, while others have one active port and one storage port. Open the battery compartment door. Align the grooves of the battery with the grooves in the compartment. Slide the battery in until it locks into place with an audible click. Insert the safety key into its slot in the battery compartment. Close the compartment door. To remove the battery, open the battery compartment door. Remove the safety key and place it in the battery compartment so it doesn't get misplaced. Push the battery release button so that the battery disengages. Slide the battery out of the compartment and close the compartment door. Always remove the battery when the unit is not in use. And don't forget to charge the battery so it's ready for use next time. Starting and stopping the trimmer. Press and hold the start button. Pull the bail lever toward the handle. Release the safety button once the motor starts. To stop, release the bail lever. Adjusting cutting height. The trimmer can be set to different cutting heights. Use the single lever height adjustment near the wheel to raise or lower the deck. Use a 5mm hex key to loosen the nut on the side of the spindle shaft. Slide the trimmer head up or down to the desired position. Retighten the nut. Trimming tips. Approach thick or dense grass slowly. Avoid contact with hard surfaces like fences or sidewalks. Do not overload the motor. Let the tool do the work. Storage and cleaning. Brush or wipe down the tool to remove debris. Do not use water or hoses. Store the unit in a dry, locked area out of reach of children. Battery and charger care. Charge only in dry, indoor areas between 5 and 45 degrees Celsius. Do not leave batteries on the charger for extended periods. Keep the charger clean and unplug when not in use. With proper care, your Greenworks 60-volt wheeled string trimmer will deliver powerful, precise trimming without gas, fumes, or pull cords. Need more help? Visit greenworkstools.com.